Assalamualaikum friends. Today we'll teach you how to make samosas. For that we need potatoes, samosa leaves which is roll patti, our spices, peas, coriander, green chilli, garlic and onion. And our potatoes are peeled and boiled. Now we'll cut the potatoes into small pieces. Now our potatoes are all mashed up. Now we will cook our ingredients and then add it to the potatoes. We'll add oil into our frying pan and let it be hot. Now we'll add our onions and our garlic and cook them real slightly. Our onions are soft now. We'll add our spices now. First of all, we'll add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, mixed spices, salt as preferred. Lower the flame and add water. And mix them well. Now we will add our potatoes which we mashed earlier. We'll add our peas. And cook them slightly. This way there is nothing undone in the samosas. Dried coriander seeds, mix it up and then add it. We'll add our chilies, our coriander, and mix it real well. Off camera we added dried coriander leaves and red chili powder and our black seeds, kalwanji. So we have our setup ready. Now we'll teach you how to fill the samosa patties. First we'll take our patti and lay it flat on the flat surface. Now I'm gonna take the corner and keep it in between. And take our filling. 1 spoon is enough, and I'm going to add it in between. Now take the other corners and keep it on top of that filling, making a rectangle in process. Like so. And now you can close the other end that is left loose on top. We have our first samosa ready. This way we will make our all samosas. So our samosas are ready. Now we will fry them, and you can keep the rest of them in the refrigerator. So whenever you feel like eating them, you can take them out and fry them. So for now, we are gonna show you how it turned out. Our frying pan is hot. Now I'm going to add the samosas. Slowly we will add all the samosas to the oil. Our samosas are ready. And our delicious samosas are ready to eat. These are widely eaten in Ramzan